Honda has introduced the GB350S, a retro-inspired motorcycle designed for riders seeking a combination of classic aesthetics and modern functionality. Priced at £3,949, the GB350S is powered by a 348 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine with a long-stroke design, delivering 20.8 brake horsepower at 5,500 RPM and 21.4 pound-feet of torque at 3,000 RPM. This powertrain is optimized for relaxed cruising, making it ideal for speeds up to 60 miles per hour while maintaining fuel efficiency, thanks to its 15-liter tank. The engine is housed in a tubular steel semi-double cradle frame, paired with a 5-speed gearbox. A specially designed exhaust system enhances the auditory experience by producing a distinctive single-cylinder thud. The exhaust features a double-skinned downpipe and a single-skinned expansion chamber, engineered to amplify the sound while maintaining a compact design. The GB350S offers rider-friendly ergonomics with a modest seat height of 800 mm and a narrow engine structure, ensuring manageability for new and experienced riders alike. Honda markets this model as an excellent first large motorcycle for A2 license holders, complete with safety features such as disc brakes, ABS, and traction control to enhance stability and control. Suspension duties are handled by 41 mm telescopic forks at the front and twin shocks at the rear, supporting a 19-inch front wheel and 17-inch rear wheel setup. These components work in harmony to provide a balanced and predictable ride. The Metzeler Tourance Next tires, fitted as standard, further enhance the bike's handling and grip. The riding position is neutral and relaxed, featuring pulled-back handlebars and a low center of gravity. This setup promotes comfort and confidence, especially during longer rides. Full LED lighting ensures excellent visibility, and the instrumentation combines an analog speedometer with a digital gear indicator. Additionally, the bike is equipped with hazard lights that activate during heavy braking, adding an extra layer of safety. For riders seeking additional practicality, Honda offers an optional travel pack. This includes nylon saddlebags with supports, handguards, and a front screen, making the GB350S a versatile choice for touring or commuting. Overall, the Honda GB350S provides a harmonious blend of retro styling, manageable performance, and modern safety features, making it an appealing option for a wide range of riders.